In this video, you will learn about common cooking-related vocabulary. Break. Please break the eggs into a bowl and whisk them. Melt. Melt the butter in a saucepan over low heat. Spread. Spread the peanut butter evenly on the bread. Roll out. Roll out the dough to make thin pizza crust. Layer. Layer the lasagna sheets with the meat, sauce, and cheese. Fry. Fry the chicken in hot oil until it turns golden brown. Mix. Mix the dry ingredients with the wet ones to make the batter. Whip. Whip the cream until it forms stiff peaks. Saute. Saute the onions and garlic in olive oil until they are translucent. Cut. Cut the cake into equal-sized slices. Taste. Taste the soup to adjust the seasoning to your liking. Diced. Add the diced tomatoes to the simmering sauce. Bake. Bake the cookies in the preheated oven for 10 minutes. Slice. Slice the cucumber thinly for the salad. Stir. Stir the risotto constantly to prevent it from sticking. Boil. Boil the pasta in salted water until al dente. Steam. Steam the vegetables until they are tender. Add. Add the spices to enhance the flavor of the dish. Grate. Grate the cheese over the pasta for extra creaminess. Barbecue. Barbecue the ribs on the grill until they are charred and tender. Drink. Drink a glass of water while waiting for the food to cook. Serve. Serve the soup with a garnish of fresh herbs. Cook. Cook the steak to your desired level of doneness. Hopefully, you will have enjoyed the lesson. If you have any suggestions or questions, let's know in the comment box. Thanks for watching.